On the Mawson Trail, the bikes are dusty and the hills are challenging us to our limits. The gravel roads can seem endless, but the scenery is spectacular. It's definitely an adventure that we dreamed of. So sit back and enjoy some more as we cycle northwards on the Mawson Trail.
So this is an absolutely gorgeous morning. We're out in the Adelaide Hills heading towards Flinders Ranges, just past Spalding. And it doesn't get any better than this. This is what it's all about. We're just following some dirt track through a field, just exploring the countryside. Absolutely stunning.
This small town of Laura, we stumbled across a small brewery where Sunday afternoon had officially shifted into chill mode. Live music playing and everyone relaxing, so it was the perfect excuse to park up the bikes for a while and join in.
Painted on the sky, misty shades of moonshine and teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the breeze. Could I belong, West Virginia, smiling mama, take me home.
Laura to Melrose today. We're about 12 k's in on this lovely little bush track. It's very peaceful, challenging at times with the ruts, nothing too bad. Hear that? It's nothing. Just hear the birds in the background. Dead silence. Hello, so here we are. Super short day today. We just did 30 k's.
From Melrose to Wilmington.
That's it. That's what I was trying to think of. Fairly uneventful, fairly flat. We're just trying to slow it down. We've just noticed we're pushing ourselves to get from spot to spot, and we're not actually seeing much. Not that there was much to take photos of or video today, because it was just flat and farmland.
But we're missing out on looking around the towns.
And potential, we'll be like, oh, that looks really good, but we don't have time to stop. So we're just doing a short day today. We'll go for a wander in the town shortly once we have a cuppa. And tomorrow's a it's also a short day from here to Corn, but it's also a really hilly day, so it's going to be a challenging one before meandering our way back down towards Adelaide. Would have been nicer to go further, but then we're just pushing ourselves to get to a destination rather than actually enjoy what we're doing. So going back's going to be a bit more relaxed as well. We'll have a bit more time up our sleeve, shorter days, and hopefully some better content. So that's where we're at. We'll have our cuppers and catch us later. So it's currently 20 to 1 in the morning. We got a very rude awakening earlier. Well, not so friendly lady. It was about 10:30. Going off ahead about us camping in an area that we're not supposed to be camping. Apparently it said no camping, but there's no sign saying no camping. So after lying here for a few hours and getting more and more uneasy with the noises around and just the whole situation, we've decided to pack up and move to a more secure spot. So yeah, onto a cemetery. Terrible night last night. Had another beautiful morning to start another day, so we'll just reset, move on. Hello everyone. So we made it to Corn. It wasn't a hilly ride. It wasn't even a windy ride.
But we're feeling really tired.
We're shattered. So here we are in Corn Caravan Park.
Woohoo!
Yay. So tent's already up. It's drying because it was soaked with dew.
We're going to go and have a look around Corn. After putting the feet up for the afternoon in Corn, we finished the day watching the Silo audio-visual show, sharing stories of the town's heritage and the incredible effort behind building the railway through this rugged country.
Good morning. Well, we're back at it. Another gorgeous day on the Mawson Trail. Had a really nice sleep last night. Didn't get kicked out, which was a bonus. So we've just left Corn and we're going to start meandering our way down back to Adelaide. But today we have the Flinders off to our right. There's lovely Lisa in front. Give a wave, Lisa! And we start the trek back towards Adelaide. So we're not taking the same route this time. Be kind of mixed up, so we'll see how we go. Be a lot more relaxed pace. The famous Stone Hut pie shop. I think we can fit that one in the budget. Just ate another flight. Okay, gotta go. Out of Corn. And we're straight into a climb. Been climbing for a while now. Up, up, up. come through Wilmington, didn't stop. So now we're changing our route going back. We won't be on the Mawson Trail, we're going to be on the Remarkable Rail Trail.
Just to Melrose. So it's the end of day 12. We've cycled just over 70 kilometres today. Started off on the Mawson Trail and then went Remarkable Rail Trail till just past Melrose. So this is where we've stopped for tonight. We've got a wild camp just on this verge. So we're just having a cuppa and a chill just over here, but this is where we'll set up the tent tonight.
Good morning, everyone. So here we are, we're just leaving. Lisa's just heading off up the trail. Oh, I've got a redback hanging around me. Oh shit, don't want that on the bike. He's not one you want to get bitten by, that's for sure. Alright, I'm going to be really careful. I don't want to get bitten by a redback spider. They can make you pretty sick. Alright, let me have a look and I'll keep going. Alright, so I didn't find the redback spider. I don't know where he's gone. I didn't see him drop to the ground. So I just keep an eye on my bike. We've got some insect spray. I might just spray a couple of spots where I think it might have been. Yeah, that's not good. Gotta be careful out here. There are a lot of spiders. We had a decent sized huntsman as I opened the tent door the other night. Scoot his way in. I thought I got him, and Lisa found him half an hour later. So yeah, they're quick little buggers. So we made it. This is our pies. We're having pie.
And dessert.
All I've been thinking about is pie. And there's our dessert. I think we earned that. Well, I gotta say, that pie was definitely worth it. Probably one of the dearer pies I've had. How was your pie, Lisa?
Brilliant. And the vanilla slice.
It was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Hello, good morning. Just leaving Laura. We are coming down to the local park to have a breakfast down here. We're heading out to the Apria, I think that's how you pronounce it, Apria Springs today. Lisa's already had it off. I'll just catch up to her.
So we've just passed these trees leaving Apalia Springs, and it's literally like they've been painted brown because there's not a crease in them apart from where there's a bend of a branch, and then it actually looks like wrinkled skin. But I have to say, we haven't seen a smooth skinned tree trunk quite like that before. It's like, yeah, it's like every branch has been hand painted. It's just dead smooth.
We're in Jamestown. We're just packing up our little camp spot in the parks. Caravan Park. So, a nice little spot out here, quiet, no one around. This has been an awesome little visit, this one. The facilities are next level. And this is what you call a camp kitchen. That's epic. So we're going to pack up and we'll be heading to Spalding today. Probably camp in the same place we did last time. So this is South Australia's oldest continuous butcher. I like plaques.